Welcome back to the kitchen. Today we are making a pork roast. And these are ribs here. This has been defrosted because it was frozen. And you can cook this in the oven in about an hour if you want to. But because it's morning and we have time, we're going to cook it about 250 degrees or 275 for the rest of the morning. Need it for lunch. I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to put it in. The oven is 350 right now. I'm going to put it in, turn the heat down. About halfway through, I'm going to flip that over, pile on some cabbage, and maybe some chopped up potato. Okay, so in we go to the oven, and the next step really will be, we'll see what it looks like when it comes out. Alright, about halfway through, we'll pause and we'll pull this out. Our pork roast is looking cooked, but it's really only cooked on the inside. I mean on the outside. So we're going to flip this over and surround it with some potatoes. I almost forgot. We need to season this. There's a lot of choices here, but just some Cajun seasoning on top. Now flip this over. And cabbage. This is going to roast over the course of an hour or so and kind of caramelize and cook down. And on top of that, some sea salt. Pretty simple. Then we go back into the oven. Okay, this is done. It's been about 2.5 hours, and you can see I rearranged things a little bit. I also turned up the heat at the last maybe 10 minutes to 425 to just kind of get a little bit of brown in here. You can see this looks pretty good. Let's check it out. Slice between the bone. Perfectly cooked. Now let's be honest, this did take a little bit of a while to cook. This is not the fastest dish by any means, but it's great. Hope you like this video. Like, share, subscribe, do whatever you want to do to support the channel. And join me next time when Busy Dad is cooking.